Hello viewers, I am your wealthynaire and eye opener to real wealth. Like most people, if you have a myth that both Demat account and trading account are one and the same, then this video is for you. Here in this video, we are going to talk about Demat account and trading account. Yes, they are different and serve different purpose. To know that, please do watch it till the end. Most people use Demat account and trading account interchangeably, thinking that both are one and the same, but indeed they are different and serve different purpose. To know that, let's start from basics. When it comes to investment, we basically use three different but look-alike accounts. They are Demat account, bank saving account and trading account. Since you all know about bank account, we are not going to talk about it much. If you want to open a Demat account, you first look for a suitable stockbroker. Most of these stockbrokers such as Upstocks, India Bulls and 5paisa provide you both Demat account and trading account together. That's why sometimes the combination of trading account and Demat account is called a two-in-one account in stock market terminology. Usually Demat account, bank saving account and trading account are linked together to complete the process of buying and selling the shares. Usually, you will be allocated units of investment in mutual funds. Since I am talking about trading that includes both stocks and mutual funds, from here onwards, I will use the term share to denote your investment. So, don't get confused between shares and units. Once your two-in-one account is ready, and if you want to invest in stocks or mutual funds, you first choose a suitable fund and then place an order to buy the shares. Once you buy any share, you will receive the ownership of that particular share in the form of units in case of mutual funds. So here you have two duties. One is to trade, that is buying the interested share, and the other is storing the documents related to your bought shares. The trading is done by your trading account and holding the documents related to those bought shares is done by your Demat account, where securities are held in an electronic format. In simple words, trading account is useful for buying and selling, whereas Demat account is required to store those securities. I have already made a video on Demat account and mentioned the link in the description. If you want, you can watch it. To know about Demat account and trading account a bit more, let us understand both of them with an example. If you want to buy tomatoes, you buy them by giving money from your wallet. Here, wallet is similar to that of a Demat account. In wallet, you keep your money, and in your Demat account, you hold all your securities. Literally, you take out the money from your wallet and give it to the vegetable vendor. So, you are acting as a medium of money transfer. In the same way, trading account mediates the transaction of buying and selling the shares. To conclude, your wallet is similar to a Demat account where securities are held, and you are similar to a trading account, acting as a medium of transaction in this example. To conduct trading activities, you need a trading account. Once you open a trading account, you will be given a unique ID to carry out trade activities. So, using your trading account, you can buy and sell the shares or units. To store those bought securities, you need a Demat account. Once you open a Demat account, you will be given a Demat account number. Using this number, you can hold all your securities in an electronic format without the requirement of any physical documents. Till now, we only discussed about Demat account and trading account, but there is a role of your saving account as well. So, let's include all three and understand how the actual trading works. If you want to buy shares in any company, first you need to place an order using your trading account. Once the order is complete, money from your saving account is deducted and the ownership of shares will be credited to your Demat account. In the same way, if you want to sell any bought share or unit, you carry out this trading using your trading account. Here, your securities are deducted from your Demat account and the money from your sold share or unit will be credited to your saving account. Therefore, trading is an interplay between Demat account, trading account and your saving account. I hope you understood the difference between trading account and Demat account. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and share the video on social media. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be informed about my new videos. Thank you for watching.